In this video, I will quickly show you how to order on Fiverr as a buyer to hire services online. First, go to the Fiverr website and sign in to your account. Once you are inside, use the search bar to find the service you need, such as design, programming, translation, or video editing. Next, click the gig that best matches what you are looking for. Read the service description, check the price, and review what is included in the package. If you need more details, you can click Contact Seller to message the seller before placing the order. After that, click Continue or Order Now to start the order. Fill in the requested information, such as project details or instructions. Then choose the payment method and confirm the order. After the payment is approved, the seller will begin working on your request. You can track the order progress and communicate with the seller directly on the platform. And that's it. Now you know how to order on Fiverr as a buyer easily. Save this video so you can check it again later if needed.